What's one AI tool you can't work without?
It's ChatGPT for sure. I just give prompt to ChatGPT and it produces things very simply.
Do you think AI will take jobs in your industry?
No, AI is not going to take up.
What's your name and what do you do?
Hi, my name is Shagun and I'm into sales and marketing.
Have you ever used AI at work and how?
So yes, definitely we use AI. And how, like, if suppose we need to build any marketing strategy or we need to introduce our techniques to the clients, so for preparing new attractive schemes we use AI.
Oh, okay, that's interesting. And what's one AI tool you can't work without?
So it's ChatGPT for sure. Yes. So basically, I think most of the work is done through it, and so there are many, multiple AI tools available on the internet, but ChatGPT is the basic one which I use.
Okay, yeah, ChatGPT, I guess everybody.
Yeah, it is very.
How has AI changed your daily task?
So for this, I think if suppose any task which I would have taken 1 hour or 2 hours, so by using this tool, by using AI, with the help of this, now I can complete in half an hour or something. Like it has eased my life, and now if I need to prepare anything, if suppose I need to depict my thought process or anything, so I just give prompt to ChatGPT and it produces things very simply. So that's it.
Okay. And do you think AI will take jobs in your industry? Why or why not?
So being from IT, I think no, AI is not going to take up. So I belong to sales and marketing department. So we had to visit clients for our purpose. So AI is not going to personally visit client's office. So no, AI is not going to take up.
Right. And where do you see AI in your industry in 5 years?
Not much highly. We would be using it for just preparing reports and all. That's it. Like, it is not going to take up.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Welcome.